Today we're going to be working on our first practice project for Adobe Premiere Pro. To start this, we need to click on the New Project button. We'll be creating a MLG video. So we're going to call this MLG video. Save it somewhere where we can remember it will be located. Select folder. The other options by default are OK, so press OK. Okay, first up we need to import a video. So I've selected off the internet this video called Crazy SWAT FBI Rescue. So I'm just going to import that in. So go back to Adobe Premiere Pro, select File, Import, then locate your resources. So if you download the zip file, I have resources available. So the first one under Videos, go Crazy FBI Rescue, import that. And what we're going to do is we're going to drag that onto the timeline like so. Okay, you can zoom in and out of the timeline by selecting this horizontal scroll bar. To the left will actually make it bigger. So if we scroll along, so we'll watch the first couple seconds of it.
FBI, open up!
Okay, so in the normal MLG video, things get crazy at the beginning. So what we need to do is, we're going to work out just after the door knock to play the classic air horn. So we'll play it again. Okay, so just before that, you can use your left and right arrow keys to scrub frame by frame. But there's about right, where the screen goes black. And then what we'll do is we'll go File, Import. So we'll go File, Import. And this time, if we go back to Resources, we have Sounds. So if we double click on the sounds, we're going to select the option of MLG horn sound effect. So what we can do is we can import that, drag it so it's just where I have put that. Now you notice that I have an image associated, so we can actually unlink that. So what we do is we left click on MLG, right click on the actual, so do that again. Yeah, right click on it, and then you've got enable unlink. So we unlink it. Then what's happened is the video is now unlinked from the sound. So all we do is we select the video and press delete on the keyboard. And now if we press play again, we should have an MLG sound effect happen just before the door comes down, or just after it.
FBI, open up!
So next step is to include a over-the-top sort of dance track. So the way we do it is we go File, Import, and then under the sound setting, I've included a dance track called Just Dance. So we include that. And then what we do is we drag that onto the time frame. As you can see again, I need to remove the blank image. So what we do is we right click on it, unlink it. And then what we do is we delete the video 2 layer. So now if we rewind it back, I should have my video start and then FBI say open up with the MLG sounds horn sounding, and then followed by my Just Dance to your drop sound song. So press play.
FBI, open up!
Okay, so it's looking pretty good. So next step we want to do is we want to use the razor tool just to finish off the sound effects for our A2 layer, which is our Just Dance. And then we'll select the selection tools, we'll remove that tail that we've just cut. And then using the effects library, we can also, if we wanted to, boost or reduce the sound. So I'm just going to leave it as B, but if you wanted to reduce, say, the screaming on the audio 1 layer, you could do it by selecting here and then going into the effects control. And you've also got the different effects which you can sort of play around with, which I'll have a video in the future on. So if we scroll back to the beginning, all right, so we have our audio in. Now what we'll do is we'll put a couple of classic sort of icons in. So the first thing we'll do is we'll have a hit mark. So there's a position here where he throws a vase against the window. So Here it is here. So let's play it, see if we get it again. Okay, so just before that vase hits it, so remember you can use the arrow keys. I'm going to put a hit marker in. So the way you do that is you go File, Import, and this time under my Resources package, you go Images, and I have under there hit marker. So I've imported that in. So I want to put this on the V2 layer. So I go hit marker, and then what I do is I put it just up here. Okay, and you can see that if I scrub over it, I have a hit marker. Now, obviously, I want my hit marker to be at the position of where the vase smashed against the wall. So the way you can do that is you make sure you left-click on here, select Effects Controls, and then select Position. Once that's on there, you can then just relocate your position to where you think is appropriate. Okay, so we have a hit marker. But remember, with hit markers, we also have the sound effect that goes with the hit marker. So we can also import that sound effect too. So we go into File, Import, Resources, Sounds, and then we've got hit marker. So hit marker, then we bring that into here. And if we press play from here again, so you can see it. Okay, so it's quite loud at the moment. So you can reduce the sound on these through the effects controller. For audio clip mixer, we can reduce the sounds. So let's see if this makes much of a difference. So yeah, now we can hear the hit marker. So as I said again, if you want to change the sound effects, you just click the layer you want to go into, and the easiest way is to change the decibel on the left or right, and then that will reduce the sound. There are other effects which we'll go through in a future video. And just one more thing, just to round this off, we're going to put a dancing Snoop GIF in. So what we'll do is we'll put it when he's being... Let's put it here. So we go File, Import, so we go File, Import. This time we go back to Resources, Images, and we're going to look for our dancing Snoop Dogg, which is here. Double click on that. And then we just drag him onto a second audio layer, like so. Okay, now you can see he's absolutely massive for the scene. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing again. Left click on that, Effects Control. This time we'll position him down a bit, moving it down. The second option we're going to do is Scale. So select Scale, and that way we've got a slider, if you open it up, where we can reduce the percentage of the scale that Snoop's on. So we're going to reduce it down to about 60%, and then we'll position him down, like so. Okay, so now we've imported Snoop. What we're going to do is we're going to press play and watch it one more time.
FBI, open up!
So there you have it, at the very beginning of your first MLG video. So what I'd like you to do now is, using that resources folder, is you can use my resources to include more sort of images and sound effects inside the video, or you can look at my Photoshop tutorials and look at how to bring more images into this video. Thank you for watching this video.